Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2022 Vauxhall Vivaro. First of all, we go into just get Bluetooth up, watch Bluetooth. I've got quite a few things paired, so I have to get it right to the bottom. And then if I click on telephone there, you'll see there, that's on music. Click on telephone, Bluetooth telephony, mirror link and Android Auto. Bluetooth, it's showing John's phone at the moment, paired phones, and there's a search, searching for Bluetooth devices, and it's come up with Vauxhall there. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro wants to connect to the system, accept, yes. Pair, yes. To complete the pair with Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, confirm the code, which we saw, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. That's it done. If we go back here, it should show, and there it is, Vauxhall connected.